Hello to all my SO friends and clients and possible clients. I am in my low graphic setting right now, so do not judge the items that are not rezzed in or look, kind of crazy like that camera over there. But basically, this video is to show you how to, when you're done working or done using my items and you want to send them back because you're moving or you've hired a new designer or just whatever. I'm going to show you what I do when I come to your land to show you how to return everything. So basically what we're going to do now is we're going to go into area search. And area search, if you're using the Firestorm viewer, it's in here. So we're going to go down here. You see area search. It's going to come up where it says owner, because I'm going to be the owner of the furniture that I lay out at your place. My legacy name is Taj Oran. So that's Taj space bar Oran. And I'm just being simplistic, only, for someone who might not know how to spell my name or can't see the video in high quality. And then maybe you might not be able to see the letters. So, and you're just going to click search. And when you do that, here's my name. Everything that I have at this place is going to come up. So if you're going to return items, you're just going to go through here. If you notice, I selected the top item. Then I'm going to scroll to the bottom, hit shift, and click the bottom item. And that selects everything. And then you're going to just right click. And right here, you see return. Now, I'm not going to return this stuff because I'm still working on this place. But I just wanted to give you an idea of what's what. So basically, hit return. When you hit return, it probably will take a few minutes before all the stuff to disappear. Go through and do the same thing again. Go through find, type my name, because I guarantee you, if I put a lot of shit at your spot, and excuse my language, but I'm a clutter hog. If I put a lot of stuff at your place, there's a good chance that there's going to be a few more items that got missed. So just go through and then do it again. And that's it. So I hope this helped you guys. If you have any questions or need to know how to do something else, just let me know. Hit me up. If I know how to do it, I'll make a video and show you. All right. Have a good day. Bye-bye.